Do you want your website to have a lock and say secure as like this? Well, this video is a step-by-step tutorial how to get this lock and the SSL certificate, if you know what I'm saying. Today I'm going to be doing this on this test website. It is called avtt.pk. Now, first of all, what I'm going to do, it's a WordPress website, so you have to enter your port number. So in my case, this port number should be provided by your hosting company, or if you're hosting, you should know what I'm talking about. So in my case, it is 2083. There you go. And I am using the control web panel. So you might be using cPanel, but overall, both are the same thing. So let me type avtt. That's my username for now, and the password isn't something that you should know. My password isn't something you should know. You should know your password, and do not forget your password. So there you go. You might have to do this again because I don't know. It always does that to me. And let me wait. There you go. No, wait, this is not complete. Now it is complete. Now it's going to log me in, and it's a very basic or simple process, to be honest. Okay, there you go. We are in my page. Now what you do is scroll down till you go to domains. Do you see this? Domains. Now in this domain, you actually go to custom SSL. Okay, click custom SSL. Now if you have an SSL certificate already, please delete that because that won't benefit you right now, and we don't need that. So let me just refresh and see if that's still there. Nope, that is finished. So you will actually need to click to generate CSR and fill in the information. So avtt.pk, country code, I'm from Pakistan, so it's PK. Whatever country you're from, just do that. And I am located in this, and let's just use this email. And there you go. Organization, let's just do reliable host or avtt. That's fine. Our unit is avtt because I don't know what field are we in this website. You can just do test website. Okay, test. Doesn't really matter what you type here. There you go. And now just generate CSR. Now I already have I was testing this, so I already created this. Wait, not like there you go. Now what you need to do is actually create a folder in which you can paste these CSR and private keys in. So for me, I've already created it, and so let me just paste these CSRs. So Control A, Control C, and there you go. And it's basically the same thing, but I'll still do it again for you guys. Okay, where is the hosting? Yeah, there you go. And do this, Control A, Control C, and basically Control V. There you go. And just save this. So there you go. Save this. And there you go. Now you can just check this box and continue. So now what you do is actually go to go get SSL.com. Now in this website, they provide SSL certificates. So yeah, just do that. SSL certificate. Go click hover over this and then go to domain validation. In the domain validation panel or section, column, whatever you want to call it, you see the free version unlimited free SSL. Just click the details of this, and now order this. So it's basically free, so you know, try free SSL. And now what you do is do it like that. You don't $3. You can log in with your account or create a new account. I already have an account, so you know. So SSL certificate, and now I already have this. I can just do it again. Generate certificate and paste your CSR code right over here. So this is not my CSR code. Where is my CSR code? There you go. This is my CSR code. Copy this, paste it over here, and validate CSR. There you go. And then click HTTP, not HTTPS, not DNS, not email. Just click HTTP. There you go. And then do the next step. Now enter your information. So I can just do that. You do that. Why not? I agree. Yes, complete generation. And now you can go to continue to SSL management. Now you need to well, wait, not this way. Yeah, click this domain validation tab, and now what you do is now what it's telling you is it wants to verify that you are the legit owner of the website, so of abtt.pk, and now let's just do that. So that is not that hard. Just go to abtt.pk. Now it wants to download this. It wants to upload this file to your website. So just download that file, and it wants you to create this directory .well-known and then this. So we'll just do that. Simple. Me actually go to dashboard again and file management, the manager, and then go to public HTML. Okay, there you go. And now create a directory over here, which will be called it's called .well-known. It was called .well-known. You can double check. Yeah, there you go. .well-known, and then save the folder. Now go into this folder and then create another directory, which will be called PKI validation, whatever it is for you. Just look at this. So it's well-known .well-known PKI validation. So just now go into this folder and upload the file over here. There you go. Upload is done. So there you go. Now to double check if you have done everything correctly, just click on this link. So there you go. I have done everything correctly. I do see this. If you see nothing, or bad request or something like that, then just check if you've done everything. Rewind the video. Okay. So after I've done that, you basically need to do is revalidate. So click revalidate, and there you go. Now it takes 3 minutes, so we can just wait 3 minutes, and I'll also wait 3 minutes and come back. So bye. So the 12 seconds are remaining, and 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there you go. Now let me refresh, and our SSL certificate should be validated. There you go. Our SSL certificate is approved and issued. Now what I need to do is go to my website, or the test website, abtt.pk, and let me just how do I, there you go. No, not like that. Let me just do this. There you go. I don't know why it took so long. And now our SSL is approved, and let me just check HTTPS. CES. Why am I spelling everything wrong today? Okay, just ignore that. Now to get the lock, if you see there is no lock right now. Oh, sorry, I skipped one process. You need to first go to then you again go to the dashboard and click custom SSL again, and then you have to install the certificate. And be in mind that you need to install a program called Notepad++. It is a free program. To go ahead, download it. Then you will be able to open the certificate. So go to our SSL management thingy and certificate. There you go. Download this. There you go. It's downloading, and we got the certificate. Now if I just open it, oh wait, let me open it with where is this? Open with Notepad++. There you go. Now just copy this, Control A, Control C, and go to here. And certificate this is our certificate. And now remember the private key. Now you need to copy that. So copy, and now private key is there. Now what you need to do is basically install the certificate. We don't care about certificate authority bundle, so it says that it's optional. So install certificate and continue. The SSL is installing. There you go. Now it is installed, and there you go. That SSL is installed. So let's check. I don't avtt.pk. No. Okay, so it won't work. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Now you do have a lock. Now, if you just saw what I did, I actually wrote HTTPS. Now, when a new client or user comes to your website and searches avtt.pk, they will be instantly redirected to this non-secure website, which is the HTTP. Now, what I did actually went to the secure website. So there is a way to directly go to the secure website always. So what you need to do is just go to your not that, it's not admin, it is wp-admin. There you go. And this only works on WordPress, so I don't know about other programs that people use. I can just go to dashboard from here, so why not? And then go to plugins. So add new, and add the plugin called Rarely SSL. There you go, Rarely SSL, and search it. And there you go. Install the plugin. And let me just X out of this. And while it's installing, we can close this as we no longer need this. We can close this as we no longer need this. And actually, this certificate is valid for only 3 months. So after 3 months have passed, you have to do this step again, or process again. And yeah, okay, so there you go. If you can activate this, so let me activate it. It's getting activated right now. So now we should be redirected to the secure website, and that should be resolved. So I don't know why WordPress is so slow. Now let me check avtt. Oh, actually, yeah, look, it's still the normal one. Is it installed yet? Should be installed. I think so. I don't know why WordPress is so slow. Let me check. Hello, website, are you dead? Why can't I activate this? I think finally something is working. There you go, it is activated. And now after you see this, you need to do this. Go ahead, activate SSL. Click that, and you should wait. Patience is the key to success. So just wait. Go ahead, activate SSL. Now what it does is this plugin actually, whenever someone types avtt.pk, that person from this plugin will be automatically redirected to the HTTPS secure website where the SSL, the certificate, is installed. So there you go. Now the SSL is activated. Now if I just search on another tab avtt.pk, now it should have a lock now. Let the site load. For there you go, and there you go. That's how you get the lock for free. And now to double check, we can still check this on another browser. So now we can check this on another web browser. So let's check check it out on Microsoft Edge avtt.pk. Let's see, do we get the lock? Yes, we do. There you go. That's how you get the lock. So make sure to subscribe and leave a like down below, as this was the first video of the channel. So yeah, I hope to record more videos, and bye.